My name is Cameron Stevens. I work at the Michigan Science Center as the Outreach Programs Manager. I am a member of the Alma College class of 2021. As the Outreach Programs Manager, I oversee traveling science, so that includes going to schools, libraries, and festivals across the state of Michigan, Indiana, and Ohio, but that also includes online programming into Canada and Mexico. So Alma College prepared me in so many different ways, but one I'm going to really highlight is Dr. Harwood's writing courses. So I did not realize that grant writing would be such a big portion of my job at the Michigan Science Center, and Dr. Harwood's classes prepared me for how to write, how to be a better writer, and that has really just taken off. Alma College prepared me for my role at MySci by placing me in those uncomfortable positions to where I would be put in these decision-making roles and opportunities to make those decisions to where I would either step up or maybe make the uncomfortable decisions of like, okay, what do I do now? Or when I went to Forest Hill, I was given that opportunity of informal education. It may be outside, but I now am able to take that and apply it in the classroom directly. I had an internship outside of my time here with Forest Hill Nature Area. Dr. Borello actually helped me secure that by reaching out for that opportunity. During that, it was just one-on-one learning opportunity to expand my knowledge in informal education. So that really helped expand where I was going with my education from there. I was able to perform interesting research with Dr. Amanda Harwood. I did research on macroinvertebrates and how road salt toxicity would affect them. Alma College gave me a leadership opportunity, one of those being with the research. I took under two freshmen and sophomores during my time with Dr. Amanda Harwood during my research time, and I was at that time doing the preparation of our macroinvertebrates, and I was able to teach them the next steps. That way, when I graduated, they were able to take care of the macroinvertebrates, and that has led me to my management skills of understanding like, hey, the freshman understands this way, but the sophomore understands a different way. So learning different ways to teach, I feel like that was pulled out of me even in that situation, and that plays into my leadership role at MySci and just in life in general. My major was environmental science. What stands out to me about environmental studies was the professors, as well as the courses. They cared about what they were teaching, and they made sure that you were learning exactly what they wanted to teach. Whether you were struggling, understanding, they took the time to make sure that you were there to go through with what they were teaching at that moment. I would recommend a prospective student come to Alma College because you are not just in a box just for your major. You are outside trying new things. That way your brain is expanding, you are expanding your knowledge and trying other things that you can be uncomfortable with. My favorite line that I learned my freshman year is get comfortable with the uncomfortable, and that has really sparked exactly what education here at Alma College is.